How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Camaro RS. It's original RS. It's a California car. It's all the original body panels and floors. It's painted, it's original Marina Blue. It's got the white stripe in the front. You can see it's got the hideaway headlights. The bumpers all look real nice on the car. It's got the lower chin spoiler. Good looking car, guys. Car's super slick down the sides. Real nice car. It's got the blue interior. They've updated it with a set of 15-inch chrome rallies. It's got your rear spoiler. The tail lights all look real nice. They've been replaced. Tell you, the car's nice and straight down the side. Now this car was repainted about 6-7 years ago. The paint still looks really good on the car. I've had the opportunity to drive it. It drives real nice. Super nice car, guys. And this is a numbers matching car. It's got your factory air conditioning. It's got your power disc brakes in the front. It's got power steering. Just a really nice car. I tell you, this Marina Blue with the white bumblebee stripe on the nose, really sharp. You can see how clean the doors all are. Interior, it's got the deluxe interior. Dash, real nice. It's got a retrofit AM FM stereo. See, the headliner looks real nice. I tell you, I like the white stripe and the deluxe interior. Really nice. It's got all the original rubber floor mats. You see how clean the jambs, everything are in this car. It's very nice car. There's no rust in this car. Trunk's real nice. It's got the factory jack, spare. Now the RSs do not come with the rear spoiler. They added the rear spoiler. A lot of guys don't know that the RSs didn't come with a spoiler. Tell you, I really like the blue interior. Really nice, guys. Dash is real nice. It's got the optional factory clock. They did a pair of gauges under the dash there. Beautiful car, guys. So the jambs, everything, this very nice car. You have to kind of bear with us. It's only about 37 degrees out today. A little on the cold side. We'll fire this thing up. It's got the electric headlights like they did factory. Fires right up. Again, it's got the factory air conditioning, power disc brakes, power steering. It is a numbers match motor. They did update it to a 350 turbo trans. See, the headlights work beautifully, nice and even, close real good. Tell you, this is a very, very nice car, and it's hard to find these cars anymore. They're this nice. Hasn't had a bunch of modifications or anything. Sounds good off the exhaust. Reverse lights, everything on this car works. Very, very nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.